Hello, hello, and welcome to Cork's Dollar Food Addiction. Right here today, we have the battle of the meatloaf and the Salisbury steak. Look at that. They had a little tear strip on the top, so you didn't have to get a knife to cut it open. Points for that. This one is Salisbury steak. Comes with mac and cheese made with real cheese. 300 calories, 1,110 milligrams of sodium. Whoa. Mac and cheese, okay. Salisbury steak, gravy, slit film, microwave 2 minutes. Stir the mac and cheese, microwave some more. Check to make sure it's, or you can do it in the conventional oven, but do not do it in the toaster oven, they said. Conagra brand, $1. Against Banquet tear strip. Meatloaf meal. Creamy mashed potatoes and meatloaf patty made with chicken, pork, and beef. Made with chicken, pork, and beef. Well, suppose we can tell the difference. 240 calories, 1090. So the meatloaf is a little bit better. They're each 8 ounces. Okay, let's try this. Oh, those potatoes are very white. That needs butter. Oh, that's kind of a lot of butter. Don't tell anybody. We'll mix it in. Make it not so white. Pretty good. Let's get it, yeah. This one is the meatloaf, yeah. Yeah, looks like it was a round loaf. Or maybe it was just supposed to be semicircle. Lots of gravy. Mechanically separated chicken. Pork, beef, water. What I was looking for was, I think I taste onions. Soy. Caramel color. Well, I don't see any onion mentioned. Maybe it's my imagination. Oh, I was wondering if we could tell the difference, but we can see the difference. Here's our mac and cheese. Ah! Oh my. Well, I don't taste a whole lot of cheese. Then I thought I tasted onion in the other one. Maybe I'll taste onion in the Salisbury steak. Oh, look. Can you see that? Grill marks. Is that the same thickness? I think so. It does taste differently. And the gravy's different too. See, there's the meatloaf gravy. This is with cornstarch, it looks like. Yeah, I think that's cornstarch. Okay, let's see if I can tell the difference. Here goes the meatloaf. Okay. I don't know, folks. This chews a little differently. And it looks bigger than the Salisbury steak, which is the same thing. Mechanically separated chicken, pork, water, beef. But this one has grill marks. Okay, I give up. Close my eyes, blindfold me, give me these. I could tell the mac and cheese from the potatoes. The mac and cheese is lacks flavor. The potatoes taste like potatoes. Okay, I give up. I guess just for the potatoes, I'd take the meatloaf. Depends on what you want. What would we do to amp it up? Nice looking salad, yes. Yep, took me a little while chopping all this stuff. Green onions, there's some cucumber, carrots, radish. Where's my favorite? There. Reed's Italian dressing. My fave. And a little Merlot, just to round it out. Bon appetit. Cheers. What do Americans say? Mud in your eye? I give up. Okay, till next time, be seeing you.